Holy Jesus, what do we got going on out here? I told her not to. I said, hey, it's way too hot outside to be washing scooters and whatnot, but she wouldn't listen. So there she goes. Hard at work. She says she wants to clean. So she's washing our scooter with her face mask on. Face mask, face shield. What do you call that stuff?
Facial mask.
Facial mask. There you go. So check this out. She's washing our scooter, and then after that, she's gonna go after the tricycle.
Yes.
And I'm gonna stand here and shoot
He's
video,
going
big
to
video.
send me in massage salon later.
Oh, that's road. Jesus, gosh, I knew there was a catch. I knew it. Okay, the tricycle is looking. We rode this tricycle 2 weeks ago, and that was the last time. So it's been sitting here collecting dust and dirt.
How many times I asked him, clean the trike.
Clean the trike, clean the trike. Look how dirty that thing is. It is filthy. Yeah, we had it out 2 weeks ago, and that's the last time we've driven it. So it's been just sitting here. Shame, shame, shame. But we did finally just get it registered. We got new plates. Or a new plate rather, so it's legally registered. Region 1. Region 1 is what? The whole northern area of Philippines, Luzon?
Region 1, the Ilocos province.
Ilocos province. Or, yeah, something like that. And then here we have the ADV, which just got legally registered. But the NCR right there stands for National Capital Region, which is basically Manila, right?
Yes.
So that's kind of odd. We have the scooter that's registered NCR, National Capital Region, and the tricycle is Region 1. Yeah, interesting. So how much do I owe you for the washing of the scooter?
one whole massage, one whole body massage and foot spa.
Full body massage and foot spa. Okay. All right, deal. That sounds like fair enough to me.
No wife can do this.
Yeah.
Can cook for you.
I know, right? God, spoiled.
Clean.
Spoiled I am.
Clean your wheels.
Yeah. So this is the Honda ADV 150. And we've had it since, when did we pick this up? July?
July 9th.
July 9th, and we're, what, September 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. September 4th. Up. October 4th. So yeah, this is the Honda ADV. Really nice scooter. We hardly have any mileage on this thing yet. But you don't see many of these, really. I haven't seen any in. I think I maybe saw one in Alaminos City when I first got here. Yeah, they took a. She went. I was on quarantine when we got this 5-day quarantine. So yeah, it was the first 5 days I was here, and I couldn't leave. So I sent her. Well, she went out to go pick it up, and they took a picture of her standing next to it because we were the first ones in Alaminos City to own one of these or take possession of one of these. But so anyways, she wanted the ADV. I was okay with the Yamaha NMAX 155. It was a little cheaper than this one. I was more than happy with that one, but she was persistent on the ADV, so I went ahead and caved and bought it. So, but that's okay. She's taken better care of it than I am, I think. So, as you can see, she's the one washing it. So, anyways, so that's about it. Hot, sunny, as usual. Check the neighborhood outside the gate here. See if there's anything going on. Probably not. It's fairly quiet. We're gonna go eat later. Maybe go get some shakies, or I don't know. I haven't decided yet. So that's gonna be about the gist of our day. Anyways, what's going on up over there? Not really much.
I need water.
Hon, I need water. All right. Oh wow, you went through that whole bucket of water. So I need to stand over by the faucet and fill up that bucket in the bathroom, I'm presuming?
I can take out this one already.
I think so. Yeah. Holy Jesus, I can feel that goddamn sun beating down on my head.
Stay away from the sun.
Alright, so... Alright, let's pause for a second. We have to go get some water, so... Hold on. So here's our dog, Jam Jam. She's probably getting ready to go potty. Maybe. Oh boy, I don't know. Anyway, she just got fixed 2 days ago. Friday. So she's just now kind of getting herself back together, getting out and walking around. She did well though. We didn't really have to put the cone around her neck and head because she was being a pretty good girl and not licking down there by her wound. Jam Jam. Hey. Hey. Jam. Jam. Say, shut up, Dad. Sniffing around. Anyway, so I watch her around the water too. Jam, not too much water.
Yeah, no. Don't go.
No. They're coming right along on the scooter. Let's see what's going on back here.
She might want to poke her.
Yeah, she's kind of acting funny. Yeah, go ahead and go back there, Jam. Looking good, hon?
Yes.
Oh, there we got some overcast. That feels good. Get on back there, Jim.
She wants to go inside. Yes. Can't pull. Can't.
Looks good. Are we taking this out today, or are we taking the... We can't bring her on the tricycle, though, right now.
So we will take this one.
Yeah.
So we can...
Take it where?
We're going to see my back.
I know, but what happens if you find something you like? You can't carry it on this.
We will go and survey first.
Survey, alright. Oh! Jam's making wet.
You want to go?
Nah, she's peeing. Good girl.
Girl.
Okay, well, that's pretty much it for today. We're just kind of hanging out. We had the guys over here earlier putting some new hinges on the door there. They brought a welding machine over and put these hinges in. So not so much for looks, but for functionality. They put those in about an hour ago. So, and now she's after the scooter, washing it. I'm just kind of standing around like a bump on a log, and that's pretty much it. So, anyways, huh? What's that?
I don't think the tricycle.
All right, yeah, maybe we'll come back here in a little bit when she gets going on the tricycle. I'll see if I can chime in and give her a hand. So, anyways, all right, we'll talk in a few. All right, bye.